Welcome back, my Scrappin' friends, to Scrappin' It Up. I'm Vanessa Peter, and I'm coming here today to give you guys a final review of our March Madness file folder album. It's all done, ladies. Yes, I'm so excited to show you guys, and yes, I am working on the videos as we speak, but not right at the moment, but I am working on the videos to get those uploaded here to YouTube so you guys can be able to make this too. Okay, so be keeping an eye out for those, and thank you very, very much, guys, for all your feedback. I done a video here a while back asking you guys if you would like to use this, if you used Facebook or not, and I would like to thank you guys very much for all your feedback that you gave me. So, with all the feedback I got, you guys are going to be able to learn how to make this, because I'm going to show it right here on YouTube. So keep an eye out for that, guys. So I made it with the Simple Vintage Travelers new collection. I used one paper pack. This is the Essential Pack. And then I used the coordinating paper that went with it. And of course, I used the bits and pieces, the photo frames that you could get extra. I got the sticker sheets and the chipboard stickers. And beautiful, beautiful paper. I will put the link down below where you can pick up this paper if you're interested in getting your hands on some of this paper. Okay? So let's dive into this album. This album measures 9 by 11. It does have an inch spine on it. I inked it with Tim Holtz Distressed Ink Gathered Twigs. The whole thing. And it's completely made out of file folders. Completely. Okay? So I have a little strap here to keep it closed. Okay, and I just use some brads. Oh, let me show you what the back. There's the back of it. Okay. Very nice album, guys. I hope you guys make this. Wonderful album. So we have this. Then we have a waterfall feature here. And I just kind of decorated it up. I didn't decorate the tops. I want to save room for the pictures. And that just slides right here in this pocket. And then we open it up and we have that. So then this flips. And we have a pocket here. And I just made a little booklet. It fits into the pocket. Okay. Oh, I'll put it back in later. Then we have another waterfall feature. Oh, this paper is just darling. Just darling. Oops! I forgot to decorate that. I thought I was done. Dang it. I'm not done. Okay. Yeah, surprise, surprise. This album just keeps on going and going and going. Another flip. And I just decorated it up with some of the stickers from the sticker sheet. Here is another pocket with another waterfall feature. And then here we have just a little tuck space for your photos. Just like that. That just fits right back into our pocket right there. Oh, I just love this paper. I love this album. It's beautiful. And it's full of flips and waterfalls. There's one of the frames from the collection. Beautiful. So then we have another waterfall. Like that. And then we have a pocket here. And this opens up. Just something simple. Then you have a little tuck space right here. And that just fits right back into our nice generous pocket that we have here. And this is the back of the album. Ain't that nice, guys? And then, of course, another waterfall. Told you it was full of flips and waterfalls. And again, here we have another little tuck space for photos. Okay. And that just fits right back in this pocket here. And that's it for this. I will have a cutting guide for you guys. I'll get that cutting guide all together and get the videos done, and so you guys can be able to make this album too, because it really is a wonderful, wonderful album. Let me know in the comments what you think about it, and we will be talking to you guys later. As always, keep scrapping. Bye-bye, guys.